gold has fascinated humanity for centuries, symbolizing wealth, power, and beauty. But have you ever wondered how gold is actually formed, extracted, refined, and transformed into the jewelry, coins, and bullion we see today? The journey of gold is a story of intense heat, massive pressure, and meticulous craftsmanship, a process that begins deep within the earth and ends in the hands of investors, jewelers, and collectors worldwide. Gold's origins date back billions of years, formed in massive cosmic explosions known as supernovae. These explosions released elements like gold into space, which later became part of Earth's crust as the planet formed. Over time, these gold particles settled into rich deposits within quartz veins, riverbeds, and deep underground rock formations. Unlike many other metals, gold is unique because it is highly resistant to corrosion and does not tarnish, which is why it remains shiny and pure even after being buried for millions of years. To extract this precious metal, two primary mining methods are used: open pit mining and underground mining. Open pit mining is used for large, shallow gold deposits, where massive excavators and haul trucks dig through layers of rock and soil to extract gold-rich ore. These mines can stretch for hundreds of meters deep and several kilometers wide. In contrast, underground mining is used for deep gold veins, where miners build tunnels and use advanced drills and controlled explosions to reach the gold deposits. Conveyor belts transport the ore out of the mine, where it is sent to a processing facility for further extraction. Once extracted, the ore is transported to a processing plant, where it is crushed into fine particles to make it easier to separate the gold from unwanted materials. The gold extraction process relies on two major methods: cyanide leaching and smelting. In cyanide leaching, a chemical solution is used to dissolve the gold from the crushed rock, allowing it to be separated in liquid form. This method is highly effective and is commonly used in modern gold production. Smelting, on the other hand, is a more traditional method where the gold ore is heated to over 1000 degrees Celsius or 1832 degrees Fahrenheit in massive furnaces, melting the gold away from impurities. The molten gold is then poured into molds to form gold door bars, which contain both gold and other minerals that still need further refining. To achieve 99.99% purity, the gold undergoes an electrolytic refining process, where electricity is used to separate any remaining impurities. The refined gold is then melted once again and poured into precise molds, forming investment-grade gold bars, coins, and jewelry components. At this stage, the gold is stamped with official markings, including its weight, purity, and refinery brand, before being stored in vaults or shipped to buyers worldwide. Gold isn't just used for jewelry and investment. It is an essential material in modern technology. Because of its excellent conductivity and resistance to corrosion, gold is used in high-performance electronics, medical devices, and even aerospace engineering. Every smartphone, computer, and satellite contains tiny amounts of gold, making it one of the most valuable and versatile elements on Earth. The journey of gold, from deep within the Earth to the jewelry store or bank vault, is one of advanced technology, immense heat, and expert craftsmanship. It takes tons of rock to produce just a few grams of gold, making it one of the rarest and most valuable metals in the world. Next time you see a gold ring, a shimmering necklace, or a solid gold bar, remember the incredible journey it took to get there. From the fiery depths of the universe, through the hands of miners, scientists, and craftsmen, to finally becoming the timeless symbol of wealth and beauty that we know today. If you found this gold production process fascinating, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible behind-the-scenes videos.